Are you able to, you know where we wrap it up down on 17th Street? Are you able to come down there? Huh? Oh, okay. All right, so real quickly, we have a song, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, that is on schedule.
So my name is Mulaney Hunter. This is my mom, Melissa. We represent the Oklahoma Cherokee Nation. It's my daughter Ty in Oklahoma. They're here on our ancestors. And we also have East Coast Cherokee